Today I'm going to show you how to make these honey walnut shrimps. Let's get started! First, let's make the batter using 1 egg, let's add the cornstarch, mix it. This is perfect. Let's work on the shrimps. Let's add the mixture of salt, garlic powder, and ground black pepper. Let's combine it. Let's add the shrimp in and mix them well. And let's heat up the cooking oil. Now let's cook the shrimp. And now let's double fry our shrimp. And now let's make the sauce. The mayonnaise, honey, condensed milk, and the lemon juice. And let's coat our shrimp. Let's coat it, guys. Let's try our honey walnut shrimps. Some walnut. And let's give this a try. It's really good. Oh my god, amazingly delicious. Yummy.